all one.
Hey guys, my name is Julia and I'm Fair Trade Programs Manager at Dr. Bronner's Special Operations team. Sounds exciting, and it is. So what is my job? I'm actually supporting Dr. Bronner's raw material suppliers with all issues related to fair trade certification, and of course even beyond certification, we are doing a lot of interesting social projects in our communities. For example, in Asum, Ghana, which is located in Ghana's eastern region, northwest of Accra. And this is where our organic fair trade and ROC certified sustainable palm oil supplier is located. Serendipalm was founded in 2009 and is a sister company of Dr. Bronner's in the US and is run by an amazing local team. Ghana is actually a hotspot in West Africa, and West Africa's most affected country so far, with about 6,600 confirmed cases and about 32 death cases so far. It's important to know that there's really no functional medical system in Ghana, so there are not many hospitals in the countries. For example, in Asum, where our project is located, there is no hospital. Medical equipment is a problem. For example, if you compare Ghana and Germany, you have about 300 ventilators in Ghana in the country compared to 28,000 in Germany. So I think this explains that you really can't rely on treatment, but that prevention is actually key. Beginning of March, we had a young German doctor in Ghana, in Asum, who actually volunteered at the local clinic. But then as the situation became more urgent, she also did a very thorough COVID training for all of Serendipalm's workers and staff, and did a big awareness raising campaign, which of course included all the basic measures that people should take, like hygiene measures, washing of hands, wearing of masks, social distancing. So all the basics were trained to all our workers and people. And we also trained our farmers, for example, by using mass SMS systems to really reach all of them. We used voice messages that also illiterate farmers could listen to what we had to tell them. So usually there are 150 women sitting on the floor cleaning our palm fruits, and it's a very social activity, so the women chat and sing and sit together. So social distancing really is a challenge, but we managed to keep the required distance between the women. At the same time, we decided that wearing a mask would actually protect them even more. So we worked with a local tailor who produced the masks as we wanted them. We gave them our own design and they produced them for us. That was when we thought about to produce our own soap. Soap is produced from oils, so we have production leftovers from our crude palm oil, and we mixed it with palm kernel oil and produced our own local soap. And the brand that our local management team decided to use is called For Life. So the For Life soap is now distributed to our own staff at the oil mill, but we also distribute it to our farmers and our workers and the whole local community. For the community, we also decided to give them a couple of so-called Veronica buckets. So Veronica buckets are actually buckets with a tap at the bottom So you can fill them with water and use them as a hand washing station, even if you don't have running tap water available. So we have distributed these, and we are also using them in our oil mill, for example, at the entrance, so that everyone who is coming in is actually washing their hands. With our measures in place, we also showed local authorities, for example, that we are very aware and we are able to really manage the situation, so that we didn't risk to get locked down and could always produce. And this is very important, because if we produce, our people can work, and they have to work because they need the money. So in countries like Ghana, for example, sometimes a lockdown can be actually even worse for people than the disease, because if people can't go to work and they can't earn money, some people really live from their hand in the mouth. So they really need their jobs. And this is what we did to secure the jobs, to secure our people, and to live the all one spirit and protect our all one family.
All one.